Hey guys, if you're anything like us, you know how annoying aftermarket light bars can be sometimes. The howling, the whistling. They look and they perform great on the trail, but sometimes if you're like us, you use your truck as daily drivers and you don't want that annoyance all the time. We've engineered a solution to this problem with our noise cancelling wind diffuser. You can stop searching the internet for home remedies for noisy light bars. ZROADZ has done the hard work for you by engineering this patented, easy to install, one-piece noise cancelling wind diffuser. The ZROADZ noise cancelling wind diffuser will fit any aftermarket finned light bar, straight or curved, and come in sizes from 40 inches to 52 inches in length. ZROADZ has successfully engineered a simple solution to eliminate airflow from moving around the body of aftermarket light bars, the leading cause of unwanted noise common with aftermarket light bars. The ZROADZ noise cancelling wind diffuser can be found exclusively at ZROADZ authorized retailers across the country or by simply visiting ZROADZ.com.